we are here to wash some clothes. Go ahead.
You had
Oh, yeah, I opened the door. Okay.
Okay. All right, thank you. Keep that back.
Okay. So you can put all of it in the same load? Okay, I'm not gonna show the card information. So we have 2 bags right here.
ID.
Huh? Yeah.
And huh?
Did we do it wrong?
Add.
Big pen.
I guess I didn't
Okay. Go ahead, do it again. Maybe these are broken. That's why nobody used it. Can you ask? Ay, ay, ay. The problem is we put everything there now. There's a lot of people here.
Let me see if there's someone here to help.
Okay.
Oh, I had that picture, sorry.
It's so clear.
Oh, okay.
Oh, cool.
So no tap.
No.
Okay.
Aquí están los niveles.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. So that's all you need to do?
Yeah, you have to swipe. This doesn't work.
Okay.
Did you get?
Yeah. So we're just gonna wait here?
Yeah.
Waiting for our clothes to get dry. Just waiting for our clothes to get dry. So it seems like it's done. Is it dry? Oh man. Yeah. Do you know how to do it now?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, it's not dry yet. So he's gonna have to do another cycle. It should be dry by then, right? Yeah. It's so obvious that it's our first time here.
I did that with my card and they took a lot of money off my card.
Uh-oh.
My debit card. So I could get one of these, you can buy them right there.
Oh, Greg.
Let me just start with okay? So
Uh-oh.
go back over there.
Let's check for that back.
How many times did you swipe it?
Let me just start these two, okay?
Oh,
Excuse me.
sorry.
This way or this way?
Okay, so this one is starting a new cycle. Yeah.
Yeah, I wonder we had too much clothes in there. Do we have too much clothes in there, you think?
Yeah, it's probably gonna take a while to dry. You should put half in there, it'll dry faster.
Yeah, that's what I said earlier. Yeah.
Probably won't even need to do the whole cycle.
Say
Like
cheese.
10.
Say cheese.
Cheese. Might be too close.
I don't know.
Close on my face.
It's my pajamas right there. Okay. We should have done this earlier. We could have been done already. Should have, could have. Yeah, for sure that will dry this
I don't
time.
think we need
And this one.
15 minutes.
Okay. Oh, hi.
20 minutes.
Oh, so you do $1?
I don't get it. Okay, let me.
Okay, go ahead. Well, that lady did say that you should
There we
be
go.
using
See machine.
you should be using your own card for this because it will.
Is that?
That lady. It will like scam you or something.
I don't know. I don't know.
Well, this one is $1 for I guess for $1
Yeah, well, it's already running.
or 20 minutes, right?
Yeah. I don't think it needs that much.
Okay.
All right, I'll be back.
All right. What do you have?
So passion fruit.
A boba drink.
Smoothie.
Yeah, while we're waiting for her.
Yeah, I didn't get the little boba deal, so.
Well, you did get me one.
I think they got yours.
It's okay. This is my drink.
Did you like that one?
It's all right. And Greg, I need to get my nails done. But the power's out.
Yeah. You might have to find a new place.
Mm-hmm.
Or no, just put all those in there. I have the other one.
The second bag, right?
Yeah.
There's a lot of people here today. Alrighties. It's almost like we should have brought like a hamper, but it's like, what do we know?
Yeah, we don't do this. We've never done this.
Yeah, exactly. Alright, heading home now.
After you, my dear.
Go. It's kind of weird. Say, see you later.
See you later. See you on the next video.